Hello everybody. Well, it's package day from the Bronx-LockPicker 60. He got us this big old huge box. And I can't wait to find out what's in there, so let's try to open it up here without any damage to anybody or anything. Bear with me. Get it open and figure out how to show off all the goodness in the box. What a huge box. Might have to move it out of the way. Let's see here. Oh, don't knock the camera down. Getting to the insides. Maybe I can use that as a ledge and display stuff. First of all, we got a great book. A book. Oh, he sent me a book. A great book. You know what? Maybe I'll move this box off to the side. We have got the classic blue painter's tape. And I believe it's a challenge lock. It says pinned by Pick Me 1977. Where's the effing key? Uh-oh, no key. That's alright. We'll have to make do with some picks. We'll pick it open. There's a challenge lock here. That blue tape. I don't know, man. Living high on the hog using that expensive blue tape. Alright, this one is pinned by Trekmaster 30. Called Spider-Man. Well, let's open one up. Ooh, Parker key. It's an awesome looking key. Works absolutely awesome. Nice. Nice lock. Yale style keyway. Back in the bag. Look how organized this guy is. This guy's picked on camera stickers and got them all individually labeled. I gotta do that. I'm bad at labeling. People get a package from me and it kind of leaves them guessing, well, what the heck is this for? A Dawes Evers, number 17. Time to open them up. Ooh, very nice lock builders out there. Very nice. Good job on that, Dawes. Yeah, the Dawes Evers, number 17. Picked on video. I'll leave those tags on. As long as they got your name on it. Alright. Let's see, we got something in a big baggie here. Make sure it's not personal. Awesome. Got an awesome t-shirt. Nice green t-shirt. Awesome, sorry about that. So this one's also a t-shirt. I won't show you the logo. Personal confidential. Got another challenge lock here. This one is pinned by Bronx-LockPicker 60. We gotta get it out. It's a, I think it's a Corbin. So a glimpse of the key there. Yeah, it's a Corbin. Old Corbin. Nice. Oh, absolutely smooth. Right on. That's an awesome lock. We got challenge locks for days. Videos too. Hopefully I get a wood stove in here. I'm in an uninsulated shop and in the winter, man, it's brutal. So I gotta get that wood stove up and going. Alright, here's another Bronx-LockPicker 60 lock. And it is the era. I remember this. Should be stamped, yeah. BLP right there. says BLP for Bronx-LockPicker 60. Awesome. Oh, I detect some master craftsmanship in this one. It's got a little, almost like there's a sidebar in there. A little ticky. It's kind of neat. Alright. Holy challenge locks. I'm inundated now. Inundated. I've got enough to last a while. Alright. Let's see. Got this guy here. What is that? Oh, no way. 1500 grit polishing paper. Ooh. Never heard. Oh, gator. Alright. Nice. Always need some more polishing paper. Awesome. Thanks, brother man. And what have we got here? Man. I am jazzed. I am so stoked. What the heck is that? Oh, no way. No way. Something I can find the pins when I drop them on the ground. I'm always dropping pins on the ground. Looks like there's a note there. Oh, nice. Just something about packaging. So, yeah. Awesome. Oh, it works too. All right. Yeah, I'll find all them pins that moved it away, that dropped on the ground and everything. What? Some needle files? Mine were getting way dull. Using them. Sometimes I tap against the collet of the Dremel or the chuck, and yeah, blows these little guys right out. Thanks, brother. Right on. Oh, what? A tap with a handle. I was using some vice grips. Turkmat sent me a tap, and I got to tap my first lock. It's right here. So beware. It's a 6-pin with a 5-pin key. That's a hint. Nice. That'll be easy on the hands. More accurate. Oh, right on. Give him a tap action. I'm tap happy now. Tap happy. Another challenge lock. Try to find the end here. What an epic package, man. This thing is huge. Brother, you spoil me, Bronx-LockPicker. Oh, it says our collaboration lock. Nice. I'm going to set that guy off to the side and start working on him. Awesome. He's already got drivers 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. Guy will go up here. Keep him off to the side. Ah, holy smoke, there's another lock. We're getting down to the bottom. The bottomless box of enjoyment. Man, just keeps going and going. Says, oh, blanks for challenge locks. Cool. Yeah, I'm always stockpiling blanks. And I'm always burning them up too. You know, practicing that code cutting gets kind of tough. Got a cool little organizer box. My brother, I thought you could make use of this organizer. Oh, yes, I could. I could put challenge locks in. I used to put them in a little tin. Or not a tin, a little bucket like this, but now I got my collection locks in there. So, yeah, my challenge locks outgrew that. Now I throw them in a big old coffee can, giant coffee can. And then, for the grand finale, as if he didn't do enough for me, my man, my brother. See what we got in here. Well, it says Neo Sapien. Hey, I think I seen this on his bench one of those times. Oh, what? It is some pics. Voila! What the SS Devs. He had mentioned these are great pics. And I told him I never bought a pair because I just haven't seen a whole lot of use out of them, or praise, or glory, or whatever. Let me find my chair here so we can admire them. Look at these guys. The SS Dev set from Sparrows. Look at those hooks. Those are awesome. Now I got some high reach going on. The forest went out on me and I haven't broke a pick in years. But now I have no reason not to hit them really high cuts. Awesome. Well, yeah, that's the end of the package. Bronx-LockPicker 60. Thank you very much. You know that's a hard word to say. You'll see it on the other channels. That is a tongue twister, my brother. Thank you so much for this holy smokes wonderful gigantic package of awesomeness. I'll be thrilled and tickled for days. I'll cherish all this stuff you gave me. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up and say everybody be well and behave. Thanks for watching and have a great one.